Hello and welcome back to Kali Linux Wireless Pen Testing. This is Vijay, who will be your instructor for this particular section, Penetrating WEP Wireless Security. In this section, we would be taking a look at how can we set up the lab, ensuring that we have all our wireless network card and adapters are up and running fine. Followed by, we will be learning how we are going to scan for any WEP networks. And then we would be trying to crack the WEP connection so that we can get the pre-shared keys. And then once we are authenticated to the target wireless network, we would be intercepting the connections using URL snarf or by doing a ARP spoof so that we can see what type of URLs the people are connecting. And then we should be able to sniff the traffic. Okay, in the following video, we are going to set up the lab by using the Air Monitor Next Generation, and this will allow us to completely set up our desired wireless card to start intercepting and looking after. Okay, in this demo, I am going to use an alpha card, which is already connected to my virtual machine. Alright, what is this WEP? The WEP stands for Wired Equivalent Privacy. This was first released as a portion of IEEE 802.11 standard back in 1999. Its security was deemed to be very equivalent to any wired local area network. That means getting rid of cable and still have the same level of protection. As the years passed by, we can see the WEP was deemed completely broken, and it has been replaced by two other iterations of wireless security protocols. However, it is very important as a security enthusiast to know that how easily it can be cracked. Let us try and understand a small bit of what is wrong as a design flaw in WEP. WEP actually employs Ron's code cipher stream cipher, which is RC4, which utilizes 40 or 104-bit keys and a 24-bit initialization vector. The problem arises the usage of this 24-bit initialization vector because it will repeat itself during transmission. In the world of cryptography, if you look at it, the randomization and the non-repudiation of the initialization vector is paramount, because this prevents the guessing of certain text within a transmission. Let's say if I am a hacker who begins to see certain encrypted text is repeating itself, then I should be able to begin to assume that the repeated text is the same word and then decipher the message without even having the knowledge of the shared key. So, in order to identify what are the network devices or the wireless devices connected to your computer, you can type iwconfig. So we can see that our WLAN 0 is already connected, which supports IEEE 802.11b and g, and we have no problem. So let's go ahead and see if we can monitor it. So AirMon NG helps us to start and ensuring that everything or your wireless network adapter is perfectly connected. So you can see that the format is airmon-ng, and then either you can start or stop or check and then give the interface name. Let's go ahead. airmon-ng WLAN 0. You would be normally able to see these three processes that could cause trouble and etc. In case if the WLAN 0 does not get converted into the monitoring mode, you can actually go ahead and kill these processes, which you can see. You should be able to kill these processes. So how do we verify we are set? Now if you look at the WLAN 0 is now in the monitoring mode. That means it is ready to start monitoring.